mine who's an Apache medicine person. His Apache name is Umsakotasa. He's Morning Star, or Bright One. And his name amongst us is Gordon Lewis. And I'd like to dedicate this song from him through us to you. And it goes like this. In about 2020, a wind came into everybody's sails. Hold on, I'm totally breathing hard. It's so Public speaking is way harder than public singing. It is. 2020-ish, into 2020, I called my friend. I had a bunch of songs, a bunch of ideas I wanted to share after that. After we all got the air taken out of us with that COVID thing. And I was ready to start sharing music, and I wanted it to be peacemaking, back to healing, back to community building and stuff. And it should also be fun. And they're not always the easiest things to put together. Anyway, I called my friend Gordon Sakatasa. And I said, and I've been to medicine ceremonies with him, and I said, would it be arrogant or a misplacement if I asked if I could do an Apache ceremony before I start my music making? And here's his voice. He goes, no fucking way, dude, it'd be cool. It'd be cool. This is on the phone because we couldn't see each other. And I go, so what do I do? Is it, all right, you've got your elements, right? You got your 4 elements. You got your white, pearl, or you got your coral, you got your turquoise, and you got your native earth. And you might have some Apache to your onyx, and you bring them all to the 4 directions. You start, you face the grandmother, you face north. So everything starts and begins, and then it all comes back around here. And just like the baby in the womb, and the sun, and the sky, and the stars. This is gonna get me fucking cancer, isn't it? The stars in the sky turn to the east. That's where the blue is, and that's where the sunlight is, and that's where you're a newborn, you're a baby again, and you ask for guidance from the grandmother to that direction. And then after that, you start to long pause, and he goes, no, fuck it, Roger, you got lightning. Which is Apache for don't sweat it, man, you got personal power, do your own thing. And that's what I was looking for, and weren't we all? After we got our knees cut out from under us, this is a song called You Got Lightning, and don't forget it. Fuck it, you got lightning.